Hello, welcome to DK Bolja. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to paint Mount Hood. Yeah, I'm gonna do a couple of them so the tops of each of these papers are against each other, so I can do both skies at once. So you don't have to do that. I'm just gonna paint it. Put in the white first. This is titanium white. And if you are painting along, you could just do one. You don't have to do two. These are on 4x8 acrylic paper. There we go. Yeah. And I'm just putting, this is just titanium white. There we go. And I want to make sure this stays wet so I can blend the blue in, because I want the blue to be, it's going to be darker at in the sky than it will be on the horizon. It's an illusion, but I want to create that illusion on this paper. So again, this guy is upside down and this one's right side up. There we go. So I'm gonna get a little bit of phthalo blue. I've still got white on my brush. Got plenty of phthalo blue. And I'll hold these by the edges and just start putting that in. And it doesn't have to be super blue. And then side to side. So I did a crisscross and then side to side. Wet down that brush a little bit. So we'll get it over here too. Whoops. There we go. We'll get it over here too. Side to side. That's pretty good. I think that's good. So I'm gonna get that edge right there. There's a little bit of a line that is not quite blended. There we go. All right. So I'm going to grab some quinacridone red and put it in the white that I have remaining. Put a little bit of pink in the sky. Just a little bit. I don't need a lot. And then that's going to be below the blue. I don't know if you've ever painted a snow scene with me before, but I like putting a little bit of pink in the sky because that's what I see when there is snow outside, is a little bit of pink right where it meets the horizon. I'll put some on this one too. There we are. Maybe a little bit more quinacridone red. I don't want it to be red or super bright pink. I just want it to be a hint of pink on there. And right now it's a bit much on this brush. See if I've got, if it'll blend in, maybe. There we go. And I will just blend it till I no longer need to blend it. There we go. It's just gonna blend out the color more. Gotta get the color off my brush first, and then I can continue. There we go. A beautiful winter sky. And ditto, but this guy's gonna be turned over. That one done. I'm going to flip it over. So we've got two skies done. There we go. And then I have, so this was a 1-inch brush. Sorry if I didn't mention that before. I have a pencil, and it is Prismacolor Ebony, Jet Black Extra Smooth. It's extra smooth. And the number on it's 14420. I don't know if that makes a difference. I'm gonna sketch in where the mountain is, and what I want to do is make the mountain be not dead center. So maybe I want it over here more. Let me put it over here. And it would probably be a lot easier for me to do this if I wait till it dries, but I'm not gonna. I'm going to wipe off the paint and continue. Since we're doing Mount Hood, we need a little bit of, just like a little bump of mountain on the top. There we go. Got a little bump on the top. There we go. All right. Not worried about this. It'll be covered up. So that's good. I like this. Let me go to the next one and sketch in where the mountain's going to be. And maybe I will make it a little smaller. That one's pretty big. Wipe off the extra paint. These pencils are pretty durable, and as long as I keep some of the lead showing, I'll be fine. And I'm going to put the little bump where Mount Hood has a little bump on it. There we go. Very good. I'm not concerned about anything else on there. And this guy's a little bit too stiff. I'm going to take it and I'll fix it. How about that? Bring it. I can always go taller. There we go. Okay. And then the bump on there. There we go. I am so glad you joined me today. Please like this video and subscribe to DK Boldchat. And I'll see you in the next video, my friend. God bless you.